Jatend migao mano mar thieth e pacho kae molor Eden Duale ne otwak kod jofwambo kama bende ne oyango kanyo chala mano mar wechego mago mag thieth e pacho kae. Duale ne oyango ne jofwamb weche ni kaka migao giseketo kanyo chenro makare mano mar neno ni kanyo no kata kuondego ma bende ibiro bedo ka ikane jogo ma ogamo tuo makoch mar Ebola en kanyo ma oriti kaachiel kod gigo ma ibiro tigodo e pimo kata yango jogo ma osegamo tuono. Ne okwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo mi kik gibed kod luoro kendo giti kanyakla gi migao mano mar thieth mar neno ni chenro duto te ni kare.
All the 22 minus the one of Laikipia, the other 21 isolation, treatment, Ebola centers across our country. And tomorrow with the US government officials, I'll also visit Kenyatta National Hospital and the National Public Health Institute just to see how they're prepared in the event. We have quarantined many people, including the staff of the president, for 21 days. So I don't see what is so. But the matter on Laikipia, I have been to court. We have complied with the court. The matter is still active in court. So let's wait for the court. So are you making an application in court? Because if that is the case, the lawyers will make an application. But from where I sit, we have abided by the court order. Unless you have a contrary, if you have visited Laikipia and you are saying the construction has been completed, then I will answer that. But as the Minister for Health, the day I appeared before court, what I said is what is happening.